forget we do have the eye wall really close
Yeah.
by, so this might be like the fringes of it. I don't really like the taste of that, but just... base of that dealership.
Damn them for being locked up.
Oh, I got that one. That was like right in front of us.
What would actually work is probably getting on the other side of this Comfort Inn.
Hey everyone, we're in Wilmington, North Carolina as the eye wall is finally approaching after its long trek towards the East Coast. We've been in Wilmington for quite a while now. We've been in here for about 3 or 4 hours. Quite a while, a lot of power flashes. Woo!
On a beach sign?
The only thing I'm worried about is one of these snapping off and falling on us. That's the only thing. I can move.
Oh, what's all the...
It is. It's a transformer.
It is. Look, what is it doing?
It's on fire, I think.
Arcing.
It's
Yeah,
arcing.
That was that power
Got it.
flash.
Stop right there. Stop right
Hold
there.
on, I'm gonna get out from under this power line. Yeah, there's something right here. Oh,
Yeah,
the top of it's broken.
Like a tree branch in it, or it broke into itself and it's arcing.
Yeah. Ooh, that thing's swaying.
Oh, I bet the glass insulator
There was
broke.
one like right here beside us. Oh.
Dude, I'm more worried about, I can't see the fucking or in trees.
You're good on trees, right?
Oh, but right here, right here, right here, right here, right here.
Whoa, fuck.
Stop, stop, stop.
We're good.
I
Tree
can't.
just came down on the lines right
Oh
next
shit,
to us.
and we, oh no.
And I got all of that.
No, we're in big fucking trouble, dude.
Just calm down, Ben.
No. You good? Good? Alright, we're good.
It more. Cock it more so your mirror's not in the way, Marcus.
What?
Turn right.
Cock the car more.
Like this?
Yep.
Perfect.
Keep going.
Perfect. That's good.
What do you mean? Boots, because they're right behind you.
Yo, there's a big tree back there that's down.
Oh yeah. A huge tree.
And there's somebody on the other side, and it's a film crew.
Oh shit. Anyway, car.